Hi! Today's activity is a sensorial activity. It's something that you would find typically in a Montessori classroom, and it's called rough and smooth. So you're introducing your child to the concept that something can feel rough and that something can feel smooth. This is an activity that helps to refine their sense of touch. It also is giving them vocabulary and, helping them understand the world around them. So, smooth label and rough label. You could also draw something that is typically smooth and something that's typically rough on the bottom if your child isn't reading yet. You can also have them focus on the beginning letter. So S is for smooth and R is for rough. So that way you can, walk away and the child doesn't have to ask you which one says rough, which one says smooth. So first introducing them to something that is smooth. Touch this with your fingers. Do you feel that? This shell feels smooth. Can you say smooth? Let them hold it. Oh yes, this is smooth. This says smooth. You put it down on your table or your rug. Smooth. And they put the shell under the label and they're starting to sort their items. Then this is rough. Something that's really good for rough is if you have any sandpaper, they can feel, oh yeah, that is rough. Do you feel how that is rough? And they could sort it underneath. And then, to start, maybe collecting a little basket of other items that are very obviously either rough or smooth. Oh, this geode is rough. This apple feels smooth. And so on and so forth. After your child has done the items that you've collected, it could be a challenge to go around the house and find a certain number of items that are smooth and a certain number that are rough. It could also be an outdoor activity, going into nature and finding things that are rough or smooth. You could also turn it into an art project. If you put glue on paper and then sprinkle salt or sand on top and let it dry, they'll have an art project that where the sand or salt is rough, and then where the paper is smooth. Another extension would be, if you do have sandpaper, letting your children use the rough sandpaper to turn sticks or wood smoother. You can just find twigs in the backyard and they just sand it. They can feel how it's rough in the beginning, but when you sand it with the sandpaper, it becomes smooth. Enjoy.